In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to raise your hand in Microsoft Teams meetings. If you're in a Microsoft Teams call or meeting and you want to speak without interrupting the current speaker, the raise hand feature is the easiest way to do it. It's especially useful in larger meetings, team check-ins, classrooms, or any situation where several people may want to contribute at the same time. Using this feature helps keep the conversation organized and lets the meeting host or presenter know that you'd like to jump in. To get started, make sure you are already inside an active call or meeting in Microsoft Teams. Once you're in the meeting, look toward the meeting controls, which are usually displayed on the screen while the meeting is active. If you don't immediately see them, move your mouse slightly or tap your Rumba screen and the controls should appear. Next, find the raise icon in the meeting toolbar and click it. This is the button used to signal that you want to speak. After you click it, Teams will show that your hand has been raised, and other participants, especially the host or presenter, will be able to see that you're waiting for a chance to talk. This is a simple but helpful way to participate respectfully without talking over someone else. A good tip here is to wait until the speaker or organizer calls on you before unmuting and speaking. That keeps the meeting smooth and professional. If you join the meeting from a different device layout, the exact position of the icon may look slightly different, but the hand symbol is generally easy to recognize within the meeting controls. That's all it takes. Once you're in a Microsoft Teams meeting, just use the raise icon to let others know you'd like to contribute. It's a quick feature, but it can make a big difference in how clearly and efficiently meetings run. If you use Teams often, getting comfortable with small tools like this can help you communicate more effectively and make virtual meetings feel a lot more organized. Thanks for watching, and now you know how to raise your hand in Microsoft Teams meetings.